So what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the back of a Galaxy S21 Ultra. We'll replace the back. We're not actually going to replace it. I'll just remove it, show you it, and then put it back on. So after having the phone on the heat for a little bit, I have this metal pry tool. This one actually is called a magic glass tool. It's a really thin piece of metal, and you can see it's all bent up, but it'll let me get under there to get it started, so where I could put my plastic picks in there so that we don't break it. And then I have another plastic pick that I actually cut in half, and I like to run it down the edge. We're only going in very short distance. You don't want to make sure that you don't stick the stuff in there too deep. You can see it's already starting to pick up. Now, the weirdest part about this is around this notch. The glass actually is two pieces essentially right here at this notch piece. Whoops, I accidentally turned it on. Now, when you're coming around the cameras, you want to be really careful. Barely going in there. Tiniest little bit is all we're sticking the plastic in there. Whatever you do, once this camera cover is off, do not touch the camera lenses, otherwise you'll get fingerprints on them and they'll always be blurry. And the only way to get it straightened out is to replace the camera. And to replace these cameras are extremely expensive. So there you go. If you were just doing the back glass, we'd clean up around the edges, pull our new piece off, make sure our glue is all good, heat it back up, put it back together, and you're good to go. Everything's all cleaned. Our tape is still good. Gonna set our screen back. I like to run a little bit of heat on it for a few minutes so that it'll reseat itself. All right, so after letting it sit on the hot mat for a few minutes, it's all nice and sealed back up. Rechecking everything. Everything looks nice and sealed, sitting down pretty well. Works good. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And until next time, later.